Ls6 fast intake, matching throttle body, long tubes, full exhaust setup, tune, live suspension work, built transmission, 3200 saw, all motor.
So all motor pass. This is just dummy connected until I finish the kit. So cover jet, monoblade throttle body, long tubes, drive shaft, gears, stock auto. It made 416 on my old tune. It's now tuned by Lee. I don't know what it makes as a tire. It's got a 15x10 race star on the back, ET Pros.
What whistle is that?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.